friends, I wanted to let you know that before you leave the ship, or even when you first get on the ship, it's really important to find one of these kiosks around the ship and check in and make sure you have a credit card on file so that you can get off the ship. So all I'm going to do is come over here, and I speak English, so I'm going to choose touch here in English. Now this won't know who I am until I take my room key and I tap it right here. There we go. It turned green. That means it recognizes me. And it says to place my credit card linked to this account in the machine. So here's my credit card linked to the account, and I'm going to insert it right here. Your cruise card has been linked to me. Huh. So yay, I already did that. This is passenger number 2 in the cabin. So I'm going to push touch here because it's English. I have all these languages. So if you speak Cantonese, push that. But if you speak English, you push that. All right. And now I'm going to tap the card, the room key.
That's green.
Ah, there it is. And there it is. This card also has already been linked to my credit card. So we're good to go. They'll let me off the ship at the end of the sail.